Creating a profitable YouTube channel traditionally required a camera, editing skills, a charismatic on-camera presence, and a considerable amount of time. But with the advancement of artificial intelligence, it is now possible to build and run a YouTube channel using AI tools alone. This article presents a full, detailed guide on how I successfully mimicked a YouTube channel that earns over $10,000 per month, without filming a single scene, recording my own voice, or showing my face. The process started with researching channels that are known to generate high revenue through ad monetization. I focused on niches like finance, technology, and self-development, where CPM, cost per mil, is significantly higher than average. After analyzing multiple channels, I selected one that had a faceless format, strong storytelling, consistent branding, and informative content. The goal was to create content that matches its style and value, but entirely powered by AI. Once I selected the model channel, I broke down its content structure, script tone, video length, publishing frequency, thumbnails, and viewer engagement style. Then, I designed an automated workflow using AI tools. I used ChatGPT to generate engaging, well-structured scripts based on video topics similar to those of the original channel. These scripts included hooks, transitions, and calls to action. For voiceover, I used 11 Labs and Play.ht to generate realistic human-like narration. These tools allowed me to select voices with natural pacing and emotional delivery, making the videos sound authentic. I ensured the voice matched the tone of the script, professional, yet friendly. To generate visuals, I used platforms like Pictory and InVideo. These tools allowed me to create video sequences by combining voiceovers with relevant stock footage, subtitles, animated text, and royalty-free background music. The editing process was handled entirely through drag-and-drop interfaces, removing the need for advanced video editing knowledge. Thumbnail design was crucial for increasing click-through rate. I studied the thumbnails of the original channel and created templates using Canva. I incorporated bold fonts, strong color contrasts, and emotionally charged headlines. I also used AI image generators like DALL-E and Midjourney to produce unique, attention-grabbing visuals that aligned with the video content. After preparing the content, I moved on to optimization. I used vidIQ and TubeBuddy to research keywords, analyze competition, and write SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. The goal was to ensure every video was optimized for search and recommendation algorithms. I also paid close attention to video tags, categories, and watch time metrics. Once everything was in place, I started publishing consistently, 3 videos per week. During the first few weeks, growth was slow, as expected. But after the channel gained some traction, YouTube's algorithm began promoting the videos. One of the finance-related videos about passive income ideas started performing well and brought in thousands of views in a few days. After 60 days of consistent publishing, the channel had over 230,000 total views, more than 3,000 subscribers, and over 9,000 watch hours. This was enough to qualify for monetization through the YouTube Partner Program. From ad revenue alone, the channel generated approximately $680. Additionally, by placing affiliate links to finance tools and platforms in the video descriptions, I earned around $570 in commissions. The total revenue after 2 months was over $1,250, entirely from AI-generated content. This experiment confirmed that building a faceless, automated YouTube channel is not only possible, but highly scalable. The keys to success were choosing a niche with high earning potential, maintaining a consistent publishing schedule, and using AI tools effectively without sacrificing quality. While the project did not reach the $10,000 per month mark in 2 months, the potential to reach that level with more videos and time is absolutely realistic. There were some challenges. For example, some AI voiceovers lacked emotional nuance, and AI-generated visuals sometimes felt generic. Viewer retention depended heavily on how engaging the script and visuals were in the first 30 seconds. But these were minor issues compared to the benefits of automation and scalability. In conclusion, AI has transformed the way content can be created. With the right tools and a strategic approach, anyone can replicate the success of a high-earning YouTube channel. This approach doesn't eliminate creativity, it simply shifts it from manual production to smart system design. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel with limited resources, this method provides a clear path forward.